Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to fix login field on Stockx. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end. Now, the first thing that you should try as login failed, so let me just try here to log into my account. The first thing is to make sure that you have logged in with good credentials. So double check your email, double check your password, and if this still happens, then you might have connected to your account the first time or signed up to your account the first time using the Gmail method. So this Gmail method doesn't allow you to have a password. Eventually, when you try to log in, you don't really have a password to log in with. So you will need to log in the same way you have created your account with. So here, for example, in my case, I have created my account with Gmail. I can literally just click in here and from this area to the login area, click in here and select my account, and I should log in correctly. Now, what if that wasn't the case for you? You had another problem. You didn't create your account with Gmail. So you should check this website. It's called downdetector.com. It's basically a website where people will report if there was any problem with the site, and you can check if the current situation of the website is bad. So as you will be seeing here, as for today, there was a couple of like reports at 7:39 p.m. As you can see here, but overall there was not a peak. When there is a peak, there was like hundreds and thousands of reports about an issue. So you can even find here an issue that you have, log in for example, and report it by yourselves, and you can leave a comment in case you wanted to share with community. And basically, in case there was a problem, you should simply wait for the platform to fix it. Other than that, you should simply just try to contact the support team and they will reach to you and help you out. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching.